That's all I need, all I see is just me and you.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a different kind of video that I feel like I haven't really talked about. As you guys know, I used to be obsessed with doing my planner, and then all of a sudden I just stopped doing planner videos, and the main reason is because my planner kind of ended and I never got a new planner, and I really wanted to get a planner that I really enjoyed instead of just going out and getting any planner, because the planner that I had before was just a random planner from Target, and I really wanted something that was big enough for me to plan out my video ideas, my freelance work, and also just really stay organized. So I actually found this planner that I'm actually going to show you guys, as well as all the stuff. I'm also going to link everything that I'm talking about down below, so make sure that if you are interested in the things that I'm going to be talking about today, you do check the description bar. That way you guys can see all the stuff that I did purchase, and also that way you guys can get it at the same price that I did. A lot of this stuff was purchased on Amazon, so I would really highly recommend you guys to check out their planner stuff because it's so much cheaper. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the stuff that I got. First thing I want to start off with is obviously the planner. Now the planner that I have, I actually don't even know the brand of this, to be honest, but I will try to find this exact planner and link it down below. But this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It has this almost like blossoms on it. I just think it's really chic and pretty, and it kind of looks kind of vintagey too. It has this really pretty color. It's almost like a mint color with light pink and purple, but yeah, it looks so pretty, and it says stay focused, and then it has this, I guess you could call a string that holds everything inside, that way it doesn't open. And I do love the gold detail on this as well, as well as the lettering. But yeah, I actually did purchase this for my work, which is, I know, is super strange that it would be there, but I think somebody returned it and it wasn't used or anything, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it and buy it. And I actually got it for $9 when originally this is $27-ish. So yeah, I got it for a super good deal, which is why I actually purchased it, because not only is it a really good planner, because everything in here is pretty big and everything like that, and then I wanted also a bigger one like this, that way I can keep it in my purse and travel with it and jot down ideas or anything like that. But it comes with stickers already in it, which I thought was super cool. So it comes with a few sheets of stickers. I actually haven't used a lot of these stickers yet because it doesn't really pertain to what I've been doing, because I actually just started using this planner in August, because that is actually when it starts. But I have kind of been using a note sheet for July, just to plan out some things. But I'm going to show you guys my August spreadsheet, that way you guys can get an idea of how to decorate your planner. But yeah, like I said, I will try to find the closest one to this, or even maybe another color but the same brand, that way you guys can look at this planner, because it's very similar, I feel to the Erin Condren, so that's the main reason why I got it. So like I said, it does start in August, but it does have the months where you can plan out stuff, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. I've been writing out my bills, hair appointments that I've been doing, makeup appointments, stuff like that, also birthdays, doctor's appointments, and it does go throughout 2019. So I'm going to be able to use this whole planner until, what is it, December 2019. Where I've been keeping track of my bills and stuff like that. It's a little note spread that you can jot down ideas and your bills and stuff like that. Wrote down birthdays, bills, and that's pretty much it. And then I also did kind of decorate August already, because I was just too excited and couldn't wait. So this is what August looks like. I'm actually going to show you guys more of a close-up and show you exactly what I did and everything. But this is August. It's also my birthday month, which is why I was just so excited just to decorate this. And I actually was getting so many planner stickers that I just couldn't wait to decorate. So I did start decorating August, but I will film September's for you guys, because I'm super excited to start doing spreadsheets for the holidays, because that's one of my favorite times to do my planner. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you let me know if you guys want to see holiday spreadsheets for your planner. I will definitely do that. But also because it has each day for the month, and it also has like sections where you can actually write down what it is that you want to do and stuff like that, instead of just writing it all down in the little boxes, because sometimes it's never enough room. I just like to get like the main reminder here, and then I like to write in detail what exactly it is that I'm doing that day. So for instance, if I put cleaning day here, I will actually write it on the day. I need to clean this, I need to clean that, and then it will help me stay more organized and be in detail of what exactly I'm doing, instead of just writing it in the little box and then like not really being too precise on what I'm actually going to be planning out. Just show you guys actually all the stuff that I purchased from Amazon. I have so much stuff in here, you guys. I went crazy when it comes to planner stickers. I'm just obsessed with them. I do want to purchase more planner stickers, but I haven't really gotten the chance to yet, because I had some planner stickers and I misplaced them, and I'm still trying to look for them, because I don't want to have to rebuy them, because they were purchased from Etsy, and that's normally where I would get my planner stickers. But I am an Amazon fiend, so I'm always on Amazon, so I figured maybe they have planner stickers, and I actually found a lot of good deals and a lot of accessories for your planner on Amazon. So I'm going to show you guys. Actually purchased this little tub thing from Target just to keep everything in here and organized, because if not, it would have just ended up everywhere, and I probably would have ended up losing it as well. So I just really wanted to kind of stay organized and put all my supplies in one area. So I have tons of stuff in here. Literally, I think I might need another one, or maybe like a bigger one of these, because it's like filling up so quickly. But the first thing I want to show you guys is all the stuff that I got from Amazon. So I'm just going to pull this out, because I do have some stuff from other places as well that I wanted to mention. So these are the Amazon stuff. I actually have more of these, but I did use them for work because I felt like I just needed these at work. These are so adorable, you guys. I found these on Amazon, and I just thought, like, you know what, I have to have these. So there was a pack of 4, but I kept 2 here, and then I took 2 to my work. That way I can, white out stuff. But these are actually correction tape. So instead of like using liquid whiteout and waiting for it to dry and then trying to write over it and then it's still wet and it gets all messy, I just love these, because you can make a mistake with your pen and then go over it with correction tape, and you don't have to wait for it to dry. You can write right after you apply it, and it's just a cute way to white out your mistakes if you're using pen. Like me, for instance, I cannot use pencil. I don't know why. I just feel like I write really ugly in pencil, so I always constantly have to write in pen, and these have just saved me from making so many mistakes and looking like chicken scratch everywhere. But there is in the pack, this one is white milk. They're like little milks. They're so cute. I am obsessed with these. There was banana milk, strawberry milk, and then this is another strawberry milk, and then there was also there was banana milk, chocolate milk, strawberry milk, and white milk. So I kept the strawberry milk here and the white milk here because I thought they were just so cute. Another one that I got, this is all pretty much from the same brand, and I'm so sorry, but I tore off the brand to these, but I will find the person that I bought these from, and I will link them down below like I did say. So these right here are so cute. These I believe were like each like $4 or something like that, and it comes with so many stickers. These come with 432 planner stickers, and this is what they look like. These are like all like squares though, but I still think that they're super cute because you can just really do anything with these. I kind of was on Amazon and just looking for things that really would benefit me in my planner that I could actually use these for, because I just didn't want to get planner stickers that didn't really pertain to me. Like for instance, it said like soccer practice and like basketball practice, like if you were a mom and your kids have like practices to go to after school, that obviously wouldn't pertain to me, so I didn't want to get stuff like that and waste those things that I wouldn't need. But these are really cute. They have like birthdays on them. It has like special day, graduation, weddings. This one has like doctor's appointment, laundry, grocery shopping, dentist appointment. I feel like I'm going to be using up so much. So this one actually has like a little nail appointment thing that you can use. It also has dinner dates, vacation, picnic. It's kind of the same, to be honest, but it's a little bit different. So this one is more of like working out as well. This one has shopping on here. It also has like money signs for like whenever you get paid. This one is more like a traveling sheet. but with like appointments, or if you're going somewhere at a certain time, you can put the time. Use those for many different things. And then these I thought were super cool, but I actually found out you can get these at Walmart, which is crazy because I was looking at Walmart one day and I actually found these in the school supply section, which I think is super cool because I think the planner community is growing so much. So I really like that they're starting to incorporate, you know, planner stickers and everything, even in school. I had a planner when I was going to school because I feel like it would have helped me stay so much more organized. So these are like the little booklets, and I believe these are like $5 or something like that on Amazon, and I believe they're the same price in Walmart as well. I'm not too sure because when I went I didn't see the price, but I love these because it's all in a booklet, so you never have to have like loose papers, and it comes with 365 stickers, so it comes with many different sheets. So as you guys can tell, like I'm gonna just try to show you this right here. It has so many. So I actually got this one right here, and this is the Planner Basics one, and this one kind of has a little bit of everything, more appointments. I love this one because it actually has like bills due, and you can write you know what bill it is, and also the amount that you are going to be paying for that bill, which will help me stay super organized. This one is like payday, so you can write down your payday when you're doing laundry. This one is more like errands, weekend, hydration, grocery list, weigh-ins for, you know, if you're on a fitness journey like I am, what's for dinner, so you can actually plan out your meals that you want to do. I have to go through this one. This one was another one that I got on Amazon, and this one is from Bloom Planner stickers. And this one, the main reason why I got it is because I felt like it just had so many cute like girly things on here. So this one actually has like little coffees, it has like little lunch dates, it has little high heels, lipsticks. It doesn't really have anything that would help you plan, but I feel like it would just help you like decorate and make your planner look super cute. Perfume bottles, road trips. What else does this have? I don't know. It just has like so many different cute ones, and a lot of them are like really cute and girly and like pink, so that is why I got that one. One that I got was the mom one, which I didn't actually know. I'm so dumb. I didn't know that this was considered the mom one. I didn't know that they actually had titles. I was just looking through Amazon and looking through the stickers, and if they interest me, then I got the whole thing. But this one is actually more like a mom one, and it has like more in detail like for meal prepping and stuff like that. And also like bills. What else does it have? Like game days, if you know attend football games or basketball games, mani-pedis, doctor's appointment, laundry day, chores, more birthdays, movie dates. What else does this have? More meal preps. From Amazon, the next thing I'm going to go over is some stuff that I got from Micheals. So I think this is actually the only thing that I got from Micheals. Yeah, so I actually went to Micheals, and I knew that they had planner stuff, but they actually grew their planner selection like so much since the last time I've been into planning. So they actually have these little tiny books, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was like $10 or maybe like $7 or $8. I honestly don't remember, but they do have little planner books, and I think these are super cute to keep in your purse, like if you are planning on the go, or to keep in like your laptop bag or whatever. It's a little bit more of a size difference, which I really like too, because these are actually like minis, so they don't take up the whole entire box that you are trying to plan with your planner. These actually fit perfect in the planner that I'm talking about, which is the one that I'm currently using, because I felt like a lot of the stickers were a little bit too big. Like I had to put that sticker if I'm not doing anything else that day, or I didn't have anything else to fill out in that box, then I could use those. But these are little minis, so I feel like you can really just plan out everything just a little bit better, since they are a little bit smaller, and I just like the colors. So these are like bills that you can, it's kind of like the same ones that I showed you, where you can write out the bill, and you can also write out the amount that you need to pay. It also has your paydays on here, meetings, appointments, important days. I really like this one. This one was like the main reason why I got it, but it has like little cleaning supplies, grocery, phone calls, mail, dentist appointments, and they're all like really cute colors. They're like pastel colors in gold. This is actually super old. I've been meaning to use this, and I think this was probably like, I don't know when I got this, but these are actually from Daiso. I got these I think the last time, or not the last time, but the last time before I went. This past time, that's when I got these. But these are just like little memo pads. So these are like little what's it called, bunnies, and I believe I got these during Easter, so I'm actually going to save these for Easter. I got 2 of those. I don't know why I got 2 of those, but I have 2 of them. And then this one is like more of a vacation one, which I am definitely going to be using super soon. All from Target and Marshalls, but I didn't get these past time, but I just wanted to show you guys where you can get washi tapes from. I also did find some on Amazon. I just haven't bought them yet, but they are super good deals because I think it comes with like 50 of them for like, I think like $10 or $15, which is super cheap, because on Etsy these are like, I want to say like $2 or $3 a piece, which can get pretty pricey. And I just like washi tape because I feel like it just helps you decorate a lot better. But I am planning to make my own planner stickers super soon, so if you guys want me to sell planner stickers like that would benefit you and your planner, and like little mini ones, I feel like there isn't really a planner shop that I really like that makes my kind of stickers. Like I really want them to be cute and girly and like pink. So let me know if you guys would be interested in like actually buying my planner stickers, or if you guys would want to, you know, use my layouts. So the next thing I got was from Target. I find so many cute things at Target, you guys. Like that is probably one of the best places you can go for cheap planner stuff. So I actually have these 2 pens. Actually, this pen is from Daiso. That is another place that you can get good pens. This is one of my favorite pens, so I do have it in here. But I do have this pen, and I actually had another pen, but I actually don't know where it went. But it has like 3 more of these, and these were only $1 at Target. And then I also have like this one, which is like just a teal one. This one I actually got from Target as well. But I have seen this pen actually on Amazon. When I put in like planner stuff or stationery stuff, you will find this, but it comes in like a pack of 3, I think. I love this pen. It's so pretty, and it has like a big diamond on it. One of my favorite pens. And then these were from Target as well. It actually came in a pack of 8 from Target in the dollar spot, but I did use the other ones for work because I'm constantly needing highlighters, so I just kept 4 here and 4 at work. A super good deal because it came with 8 of them for $1, which, you know, you can't pass that up, especially if you use highlighters like me. And then this as well is from Target. This is from the dollar spot. So I actually got 2 of these, but I took this one out of the plastic. This one is just like more planner stuff. It just says today, later, maybe, like a little to-do list and cute little summer related stuff. So it actually has like penguins and pineapples, bananas, stuff like that. And then this one as well is kind of the same thing, but I feel like this one's a little bit different because it has bigger stickers, which I probably won't use because they won't fit in my planner because this one's like huge. But I just thought it would be cute. Maybe I can decorate the layout with it. Or something like that. I don't really know if I would use these, to be honest, because these are summer related and summer is about to be over and I'm about to start planning out my stuff for fall and the holidays. But yeah, that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure that you do check out the description bar. That way you guys can see everything that I did purchase and where I got it from and stuff like that, if you did get confused about where everything is from. I will try to link everything below. So yeah, check the description bar if you guys are excited for planner videos. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button and the bell. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. And I look forward to doing more planner videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!